Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this cute and easy star charm. It's beginner friendly, quick to make, and perfect for keychains or bag charms. For this project, I'll be using 5-ply milk cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Start by making a magic ring and chain 2. Then work 10 half double crochets into the ring. Don't forget to place a stitch marker to mark the beginning of the round. Then continue 10 half double crochets into the ring. Pull the ring tight and join with a slip stitch to the first half double crochet. You should have 10 stitches in total. Start by chain 1, then 1 single crochet. In the following stitch, work a half double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and another half double crochet, all in the same stitch to form the first star point. Here I'll show you slowly so it's easy to follow. Repeat this pattern around for a total of 5 points. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Then fasten off and weave in your ends. We'll make this star in 2 pieces, then glue them together with the wrong sides facing to create a stronger, more sturdy star charm. Use a piece of white yarn to tie a small bow, then glue it in the center of the star for a cute finishing touch. Finally, attach a keychain ring to complete your star charm. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet videos.